Hello everyone, welcome back to my computer video. Today in this video I am going to start the JavaScript. Okay, so what is JavaScript, why it is used, what are the syntax of JavaScript, all these things. Understood? So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it to get all my latest videos and please like and share. Okay, so let's start it. So JavaScript is a scripting language. Okay, it is a scripting language. It is used with HTML web pages. You have already know how to write the codings in HTML. So it helps the web developer to manipulate the browser and its contents. So which was not possible with HTML alone. Understood? So JavaScript has more control of how the web page looks and behaves. Understood? You can run JavaScript coding in any browser. Okay? So first of all, you have to understand JavaScript statements are written inside the JavaScript tag. So this is the JavaScript tag. Okay, script. Then this is inside this all the statements are written, and the JavaScript tag is closed. In this way, you have to write the JavaScript tag. So in this script tag tells the browser to interpret all the text between these tags as a script. Okay, and this JavaScript tag is written between the body tag. Understood? Within the body tag you have to write the JavaScript tag. Now this script tag has two attributes. These are two important attributes. So what are these? Language attribute and type attribute. Okay, these are two important attributes written between the script tag, and the language attribute value is what? JavaScript, and the type attribute value is text JavaScript. Okay, so in this video I will show you the JavaScript practicals, how to do the practicals, how to write the coding. So let's start our first JavaScript code. So here you can see this is our first JavaScript code. So in the same way that you write in HTML coding, here also you have to start with doc type HTML, then HTML, then body, then inside the body tag you have to write this JavaScript tag. Okay, you have to declare this, you have to write this JavaScript language equal to JavaScript, type equal to text JavaScript. This is compulsory, you have to write in JavaScript coding. Now inside this you have to write all the statements whatever we want to execute. So the next statement is what? Alert. Alert is one type of statement. So why alert is used? So alert statement is used to display information to user. So suppose if you want to display any information, any message, okay, of this coding to the user, then you have to use alert statement. So inside this alert statement you have to write the expression whatever you want to show. So here hello, good morning I want to show in the output. So you have to write the expression, you have to write the message inside the bracket within the single quote or the double quote. Understood? Then after that script tag is closed, HTML closed, body closed. Now let's see the first of all you have to save this in any folder, and you have to save this JavaScript file with .html extension. Okay, because it is related to HTML only. So .html you have to put in your file name. Then you'll have to open this file in the Internet Explorer or any browser you can open. So now see the output. So this is our Internet Explorer browser. I will open the file, open, then browse. You know how to open the HTML file. Then our first JavaScript, open. Now okay, now you'll see the message will come like this. It will show the output. Okay, hello, good morning. So this is the message. So this is the way of displaying the message by the alert statement. Understood? Now click on OK. Now we'll see the JavaScript variables. So in every programming language you have to use variables. Variables are what? They are the storage area where you have to store the value. Okay, the value which are always changing, that are variables. So you have to declare the variables. So how many types of variables are there? How many types of data types of variables are there? Numbers, strings and boolean. So numbers will contain the numbers, numeric Strings means it will contain the any character within the double quote, and boolean means it will give the value true or false. Understood? Now let's see one example, one practical, how to use the variables, how to use the variables using the assignment statement, assignment operator, how the values are assigned to the variables. Okay. So this coding is about to store values in variable using the assignment operator. Okay. Now all the codings are same. Doc type HTML, HTML body, then JavaScript. All these are same. Now variable will declare the variable. So variable in short form it is written var. Okay. Now you have to give the variable name. So this is the variable name. Variable name is roll number equal to 453. That means 453 is the number data type. This value will stored in this roll number variable. Okay, and this equal to sign means what? It is assigning this value to the roll number variable. Now this past equal to true. Again, next variable is past. So that means true value will be stored in the value and the variable past. Okay, so this is boolean data type. Next is stu name equal to Monica Kaur. So next variable is stu name. So this Monica Kaur name, it is written in single quote. That means it is behaving as a string data type. So this string data type will store in this variable stu name. Now next is document.write. First, what is the meaning of document.write? Let us understand this first of all. So document.write, it is a JavaScript statement. Okay, this statement is used to write text on the web page. So whatever output you want to show, want to display in the web page, you have to write inside this document.write statement. So inside this bracket, you have to write the statement whatever you want to show the output in the web page. So here you have to show the roll number first of all. So you have to write roll number inside the double quote because this is fixed. This is not a variable. Now plus, why plus is given? Plus roll number. That means this is the variable name. So in this variable 453 is stored. Value is stored here. So plus is given because it is joining. This is combining this roll number word and this roll number value together. So plus sign is for joining the value. It is called concatenation operator. Plus sign is known as concatenation operator for joining the strings, the values. Then plus br, that means br means the line break. It will go to the next line. That's why it is also given plus. Okay. Now next document.write is what? You have to show the name of the student. So this is also name of the student. You can write anything. This is inside the double quote. Now plus stu name. That means whatever name is given, Monica Kaur is given. So this value will be stored in stu name and it will be displayed. And again br, that means next line, next. Then document.write past. This past is not the variable. This is the variable. Okay. This variable value past is true. So this will be stored in this variable, and plus means it will show. It will show in a statement past equal to true. So all this will be shown. This output will be shown in the web page. Now script closed, HTML closed, body closed. Now see the output. So you can see I have browsed the file name and click on OK. Now it will give the output. So this is the output. Roll number is what? 453. Name of the student is what? Monica Kaur, and past is true. So in this way the output will be displayed. So all these words are joined. That means they are combined. Roll number is 453 on. So in this way you have to write the document.write statement you have to use. And in this way the values are assigned to the variable. Understood? So this is the number data type, this is the boolean, and this is the string data type, and this true is the boolean data type. So I hope you have understood this coding. So please practice this coding whatever I have shown you today. One more thing I want to tell you that these variable names are written in separate lines. If you want to write the variables in a same line, then you have to give semicolon. This is the method. So you can see like this, where you have to write one time, and all the variable names and the values you have to write, okay, in this way by giving the semicolon. Okay, semicolon is very important to write any variable in the same line, and you have to write the var word only one time if you are writing in the same line. So this is the facility to write the variables in the same line. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.